Lettuce is one of the favorite garden vegetables, crisp, refreshing and full of vitamins. It is an indispensable part of the table of all lovers of healthy eating. But in order for your lettuce to grow quickly, be rich in leaves and give top yields in the long term, it needs proper care and organic top dressing. If you also love fresh, homemade lettuce, be sure to stay until the end of the video because I will reveal a natural way for your lettuce to flourish and stay healthy. And, of course, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel to learn more useful tips for your garden, why is top dressing important? Lettuce loves fertile and loose soil, rich in nutrients. A lack of nitrogen can lead to poor growth, while a lack of potassium and calcium can cause wilting and lower resistance to disease. That's why it is important to apply natural top dressing that strengthens the plant and encourages the development of lush, juicy leaves. Organic top dressing recipe. For this powerful top dressing you will need 1 liter of standing water, 1 tablespoon of wood ash, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then water the lettuce with this nutritious mixture once every 10 days, directly at the roots. This top dressing will stimulate the growth of leaf mass, make the plant more resistant to diseases and extend its harvest. Try this trick and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love gardening and see you in the next video.